Hello, my name is Megan Christensen and my business is the School of Home Cooking. My mission is, if you teach a man to cook, you feed him for a lifetime. My business model and idea is that the School of Home Cooking teaches the layman how to cook for his or her family. With my services, I offer to teach the basic skills of cooking to the everyday man and woman by coming to their own home with the ingredients purchased beforehand. The price per meal for one couple is $25, and my customer base has largely been students at Brigham Young University, Idaho. I really hope to expand that client base. I've used word of mouth and client referrals for finding potential clients, but I hope to find better marketing strategies. For the first initial weeks, no one was really interested in my services. Then I received my first 2 clients. I taught both of them in the same home on the same night. After that, they told others, and I became more bold in asking people if they were interested, mostly because I realized my services were wanted, and I was excited about cooking, and it was a really fun experience getting to do that. As you can see from the graph, my profit loss is minimal due to raw ingredients being so inexpensive. For the 4 different meals I taught, my product markup is based largely on labor costs and not necessarily material costs. I'm personally investing my time and energy into this endeavor. You would be required to invest minimal for large returns, monetarily speaking. Here's one of my students, in action. I taught him how to make an apple walnut salad. I taught using a different technique for distributing the salad dressing. I've tried to really let the students get into making the meal. I mostly stood beside them and gave them direction, showing them different techniques occasionally. What was successful and what was not successful? Well, what was successful was the lessons were a big hit. Everyone said they enjoyed the experience. The price was reasonable for the clients and had enough markup to be profitable. There's a lot of room to grow. What was not successful, my marketing campaign was really weak and didn't reach a wide enough audience. There could have been a lot more success if there was a strong marketing strategy. I believe there's a lot of growth possible with this business, and the profit margin is phenomenal. Again, my name is Megan, and thank you for your time and consideration.